Okay guys, I'm making my first sweet potato pie ever. I normally just cook savory dishes, but I decided I'm gonna make me a pie. This is my lovely sweet potato pie. And I made two. Oh my gosh. So let's see. Drum roll. Look how brown that crust is. Oh, baby. Oh, come on, baby. Y'all ready? You want a piece? Oh, come on, baby. Ooh, look at that, baby. Oh my God. Mm. Mm. Mm, mm, mm. Mm, mm, mm. Mm. I should have added just a tad bit more spices. Mm, mm, mm. Mm, mm, mm. Mm, 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 mm. Yeah, baby. Y'all better make y'all some homemade sweet potato pie. Baby. Mm. And the crust is real flaky and buttery. Oh my God. And guess what, y'all? I didn't put aluminum foil around the crust so it won't burn. You know how you do old school? They put the aluminum foil. I just put a little bit grapeseed oil around the crust. Better have you a piece, y'all.